Welcome to Healthy Facts 101. If you're a new mom, congratulations. You're doing something amazing. Today, we're diving into postpartum weight loss, but in a way that's realistic for busy moms. We'll break it down into simple, doable steps you can actually fit into your life. Think of me as your cheerleader, here to share what works and remind you progress over perfection. It's about finding small moments to care for yourself, because a healthy, happy mom is the best gift to your family. So grab your water, maybe stash a little chocolate for later, and get ready to take some notes. Ready? Let's get started. Let's talk food, because what you eat can truly shape how you feel, especially when life gets busy. When you're exhausted, takeout is tempting. It's quick, it's easy, and after a long day, it feels like the only option. But those quick fixes can leave you feeling sluggish and unsatisfied. That's where meal prep comes in. It's your secret weapon for busy weeks and tired evenings. Meal prep isn't about spending hours in the kitchen or making fancy recipes. It's about setting yourself up for success and making life easier for future you, one small step at a time. Try dedicating just an hour or two on the weekend. Put on your favorite playlist or a podcast and prep some basics that you know you'll use. Chop up a variety of veggies and store them in clear containers. When you open the fridge, you'll see colorful, ready-to-eat ingredients, making it so much easier to throw together a salad, stir-fry, or snack. Cook a big batch of grains like quinoa or brown rice for easy meal bases all week. Prep proteins, grill chicken, bake salmon, or even try marinating tofu for a plant-based option. Hard boil a dozen eggs for grab-and-go breakfasts or snacks. These little steps add up to big time savers. When hunger hits, you'll have healthy choices ready and waiting. No more reaching for chips or cookies just because they're convenient. Keep it simple. Just prep for a few days at a time. You don't have to plan every meal, just enough to make the week smoother. Remember, you're not aiming for perfection. The goal is to make healthy eating more convenient and less stressful. The easier you make it for yourself, the more likely you'll stick with it, even on your busiest days. And remember, you're not just feeding your family, you're fueling yourself too. You deserve meals that nourish and energize you. Meal prep is a form of self-care for busy moms. It's a way to show yourself some love and make your days a little bit easier. Make the healthy choice the easy choice. With a little planning, you'll be amazed at how much better you feel. Now that you've got food handled, let's move on to fitting in movement. Gym time? For most new moms, just the thought of packing a bag and heading out to a gym feels impossible. The reality is, your schedule is packed, your energy is low, and your priorities have shifted. Not happening for most new moms. And that's completely okay. Your body and your life are in a whole new season. But you can still move your body, just redefine what a workout looks like. It doesn't have to be a full hour or even a half hour. Movement can be simple, quick, and fit right into your daily routine. Try exercise snacks, 10-minute bursts of movement whenever you get a window. Do bodyweight circuits, squats, lunges, push-ups, or even a few jumping jacks while the baby is content. Planks, right in your living room, are perfect. You can even sneak in a few moves while your baby is playing or napping nearby. Pajamas totally count as workout gear. No need for fancy outfits. Just move in whatever you're wearing. Or find a quick YouTube workout for moms. There are tons. You can choose from yoga, dance, or strength routines, all designed for busy parents. Keep your baby nearby, make silly faces, or sing while you move. Turn your workout into playtime and bonding. It all counts. It's about showing your child that movement is part of life. When they see you making time for yourself, they learn that self-care matters. Let go of the all-or-nothing mindset. A 10-minute walk outside with a stroller or 5 minutes of stretching on the floor is a win. Every bit of movement helps your body and your mood. Celebrate every bit of movement. Give yourself credit for showing up, even if it's just for a few minutes. You're not just working out, you're setting an example. Your child is watching and learning from you every day. Small, consistent efforts add up. Over time, these little moments create big changes in your strength and confidence. Don't wait for perfect conditions, just start. Every little bit counts, and you're doing better than you think. Let's talk hydration next. Water is your secret weapon for recovery and weight loss. Dehydration sneaks up fast, especially if you're breastfeeding. Get a giant water bottle with time markers and keep it with you everywhere. Link drinking water to routines, like feeding or changing your baby. Not a fan of plain water? Add lemon, berries, or try herbal tea. Set phone reminders if you need a nudge. Hydration keeps your energy up and cravings down. Don't forget it. New moms are pro snackers, so make snacks work for you. Starving yourself backfires. Smart snacking keeps you fueled and happy. Stock up on protein, healthy fats, and fiber. Greek yogurt, string cheese, nut butter with apple slices, nuts, or baby carrots. Prep snacks while you prep meals. Portion out veggies, make energy balls, or store mini meals. Don't ban treats. Plan a small, satisfying indulgence and enjoy it guilt-free. Make healthy snacks easy to grab and stash treats out of sight. It's not about willpower, it's about strategy. You deserve delicious, nourishing food. Keep your pantry and fridge stocked with smart options. Snacking smart means more energy and fewer cravings. You're fueling your body for motherhood. Next, let's make your baby your workout buddy. Can't get away from your baby? Make them part of your workout. Power walk with the stroller. Add hills for a real workout. Use park benches for quick strength moves while your baby watches. At home, use your baby as a very cute weight for squats or chest presses. Try Mommy and Me classes online or in your community. No judgment if your baby fusses. Some days your baby will love it, some days not, and that's okay. The goal is to move and bond, not perfection. Exercise becomes a fun, shared activity. Be flexible and creative. Enjoy the journey together. Here's the big one. Ask for help. You don't have to do it all alone. Asking for support is strength, not weakness. Talk to your partner. Schedule time for yourself, just like any appointment. Reach out to family or friends. They often want to help, but need to be asked. No local support? Find mom groups or trade babysitting with another mom. Community resources can be a lifesaver. Taking time for yourself isn't selfish. It's essential for your health and happiness. When you recharge, you're a better mom and partner. Drop the guilt and build your support team. Even 30 minutes can make a huge difference. Prioritize your needs. You matter too. Remember, you're not alone in this. Support makes everything easier. Take the help you deserve. You've earned it. Take a breath. Let go of pressure and timelines. Embrace the moment and give yourself grace. Your body did something incredible. It created life. It's okay if it's different now. Embrace the changes as part of your beautiful journey. Postpartum weight loss isn't a straight line. It's a winding path with ups and downs. Ups and downs are normal. Each step forward, no matter how small, is progress. Focus on progress, not perfection. Celebrate small wins. They add up over time. More water, a short walk, a healthy snack. These small choices make a big difference. Track your progress beyond the scale. Photos, how your clothes fit, your energy. Notice how you feel. Stronger, more energetic, more confident. These are the true markers of your journey. This journey is about reclaiming your strength and sense of self. Be kind to yourself. Show the same compassion you give your kids. You deserve it too. If you have a tough day, start fresh tomorrow. Each day is a new opportunity. Every day is a new chance for a healthy choice. Your journey is unique. Honor it. You're doing an amazing job. Progress is what matters. Keep going. You've got this. That's a wrap. I hope you feel inspired and ready to take action. Start small, be consistent, and give yourself grace. Taking care of yourself is vital. You're a warrior mom. If you found this helpful, give us a thumbs up and share your favorite tip in the comments. Let's support each other. Your story could help another mom. Don't forget to subscribe for more simple, fun health tips. Now go hug your baby, drink some water, and remember, you've got this.